Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. First of all, I want to say thank you, Paper Romeo, for sending me Lucy. You know I love portraits and sunflowers, but I want to make a journal, and this flip through and the journal I will dedicate to your mom. You know why? And the people from our designing team know why too. Okay, we go. Oh, I have printed the front, the cover on photo paper. The back also on photo paper. It's so nice to see it on the cover. Per accident, one double page on photo paper, and there's a ton of writing space. I have printed all both sides, front and back. I do first the writing spaces. You can see here flowers and the double page. Again, flowers and double page. And so lovely kids and sunflowers and nature. And it's amazing. Lots of English, yes, English text with flowers. So you can see it's so gorgeous here. Butterflies, everything. Oh, this one is a little bit dark, but I put this away. You know me, there are fishy cats, but I call everything because I can not say it well. Ampheria, so I call everything die cuties. So these are the die cuties on my sticker paper. Again, a little bit taller die cuties. And the quotes also on sticker paper. Now, at last, I have printed on thick paper 270 grams. They are the envelopes. This I believe, yes, I create this on my own because I want a lot of stamps and everything in my journal, a pocket folder. Okay. Lots of envelopes. Another envelope. I print all the time, everything out. The whole kit I print out. So I go further with this journal. I must think how to make the journal, but first I will cut everything before I started, and then I go make a journal. Okay, stay tuned, and the next video from this is part 1, Lucy. Till then, bye bye.